After installing ClassIn, tap the application to sign up. Tap agree for the agreement. It's optional if you want to allow ClassIn to send you notification. There are two ways for you to create your account or to sign up in ClassIn. One is by using your Google account if you have Gmail, but if you don't have Gmail, that would be fine.
Second is using your mobile phone.
Click sign up on the upper right corner of your screen. Tap sign up with mobile number. Now you have to make sure that the country code is +3. Now enter your mobile number. Don't forget to check this option, then tap get code. Codes will be sent to you via SMS or they will be calling you. After you input your code, you will be asked to create your password. Password is from 6 characters to 20 characters, and it is advisable that you will create your password using alphanumeric, a combination of alphabet and numbers. You can check this icon here so that you can see the password that you created, and it is advisable that you save a copy of your password. Now tap done. You now then redirected to the login page. Don't forget to check this button and then tap login. Now you choose a student or parent as your role, and you will be required as well to create your nickname. So for our class, I would like you to make use of your last name, comma, and then the initial of your first name. And then click or tap done. This will be the interface of your ClassIn account. Now let's set up our account. Tap our account profile. Tap your nickname. Now you have to make sure that you added your nickname following the last name, comma, and the initial of your first name. Your role should be student or parent, and don't forget to set up your gender. Now let's go back to the home page of your account. Tap this plus button on the upper right corner of your account. You can add your contacts, you can join class, you can join public lessons, and you can scan QR code. You can tap join class and enter here the code your teacher will be giving you for the respective classes. Alright, so that's how we're going to create your account in ClassIn and how to join classes in ClassIn.